Friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, today I wanted to give you a little life update and kind of talk about some small changes I'm going to be making to my channel. So before I get started, first I want to say I am not a professional. I am not giving professional advice. I'm not a doctor. Anytime you make any changes to your health, please make sure you check with your doctor first. What I'm doing is just sharing something that is, for me, unique to me, but it might help some others. So I just want to put that out there first of all. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. So recently I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. I knew going to the doctors over the last couple visits that I was very close to becoming a diabetic. I was pre-diabetic, and over the last 3 months I have been working extremely hard, eating all the right foods, thinking that I was doing a really good job getting my health in order. I was exercising, my eating habits had changed drastically. So you can imagine when I went to the doctors, my AC1 went from 6, I think it was 6.5 or something like, or 6.2 to 7. I was just absolutely floored. I was devastated. I just cannot believe it went up that high. It just made absolutely no sense to me, considering I was eating healthy. I just have no idea. I had no idea. But it does turn out that even though foods are generally considered healthy, may not always be healthy for people that are pre-diabetic. For instance, watermelon, something I never really ate, but I started adding just a tiny bit of salt that changed the taste. And I was eating watermelon all the time thinking I was doing, wonderful. And come to find out, watermelon is one of the worst fruits, the top fruit you can eat for being a pre-diabetic or a diabetic. So let me go ahead and just explain a little bit about type 2 diabetes. It is a condition where the body doesn't use insulin properly, which can lead to high blood sugar levels. So it's important to manage what we eat because certain foods can cause blood sugar spikes, even if they are healthy for others. Now, friends, I am working with a team of professionals who I am in constant contact with. I'm now wearing this Dexcom 7 that monitors my spikes. It also notifies me if certain foods that I eat are not good for me, as it tracks my spikes. This is all new to me. This has been on for not even quite 2 weeks yet. So there's so much I need to learn, and there's so much I've already learned. So with all that in mind, you might see just a small little change in my recipes. What I'm going to be doing from now on, any recipe that is diabetic friendly, this little symbol right here, I'm going to be adding it to all the thumbnails, and I'll also have in the title that it's diabetic friendly. That doesn't mean that you can't eat it, that it's specifically for diabetics. What it means is it's very healthy and it's very diabetic friendly. And, I love my food. Y'all know I love my food. So I'm not going to be making things that are bland or not that good. But this symbol right here, you will see. So if you are a diabetic or pre-diabetic, or if you just want to eat healthy, keto maybe, this symbol will let you know that that video is right for you. I'll also be sharing some of my health and weight updates periodically for those of you who are interested in following this journey of mine. This is a new chapter for me. I have tried so many times to get my weight under control and eat healthy, and I was doing all the right things. I just did not realize that with being borderline diabetic, and, it is definitely runs in my family. So the things that I were doing were the right things, but unfortunately it wasn't the right things for someone that is pre-diabetic. So now that I know what I need to do, I am very, very excited to get started with all this. And I hope that you guys would be interested in, I can bring you along with me. But I want to say, don't worry, because I will continue making those delicious recipes for everyone, those wonderful desserts, those easy recipes. Whether you have a dietary restriction or not, you know, there are going to be recipes for everyone. This channel is not going to change other than adding that little symbol right there, and just letting you know that it is more friendly. So friends, I just want to say thank you to everyone for all your love and your support, especially during this health journey of mine. Your encouragement means so much to me, and I hope that we can continue to learn and grow. So if you are a diabetic and you have any suggestions, please go ahead and leave those in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Like I said, I am learning so much, and I have been floored with some of the things that I've learned because I believed something totally different. And that explains a lot of the problems that I've been having health-wise. So anyway, please go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel, because you're not going to want to miss all these upcoming delicious, healthy recipes as well as the indulgent recipes. So friends, thanks so much. I do appreciate it. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and if you have a moment, go check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, I will see you next time. Bye.